So I recently got sent out the Monojoy Mulch and Rock Glue, and today we're going to be doing a full test. We have a patch of mulch in the front yard that we're going to use this on, and here's everything that you're going to get in the kit, including instructions, a sprayer, AA batteries, and of course the mulch glue that is good to 200 square feet. Looks like they give us some gloves as well, just in case. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this all hooked up so I can show you exactly what it looks like when it's ready to use. So here's the actual pump. The batteries are actually pre-installed, so all we have to do is pull that out and you can hear the pump go. The arm is fully adjustable, which is pretty cool as well. And it looks like you can even adjust how the nozzle sprays. So that twist, and you can take that completely off for cleaning as well. To clean, all you have to do is soak this all for about 5 seconds in water. So I'm going to use a hose outside to do that. So I'm going to give this a quick shake. Now after that, all we have to do is take this cap off and replace it with the pump. So this has a little weighted thing, so it should always stay at the bottom of the bottle to make it easy to use. Now we just have to twist it on. So from there, we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the mulch out and we'll go ahead and start spraying. And then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow to show you how it actually performed and if it dried.
So the nozzle is adjustable. Right here is kind of the difference. You can see how it's more of a stream when you guys have it loose, and then when you guys tighten that down, it's more of a nice spray. So that's personally what I used for the mulch here, and we just have a really small patch here, but I'm still going to speed it up just to save you guys some time. But you guys may notice that it has a slight like blue hue to it when you guys first spray it, but that does go away as it dries and cures over time. I let this dry for about a day before I did anything to it. I made sure that it was a day where it wasn't going to rain. So this is what it looks like all applied. And here is the next day. You can sort of see as I push down, it's kind of all like one unit now. So the mulch around it also gets pulled down as I push. So I think that goes to show that it does a really good job at kind of making everything turn into one big unit. And then also here is me using the blower on it just to show you guys that it does indeed work. I didn't see one piece of mulch go anywhere. So if you guys are worried about mulch flying everywhere whenever you're trying to blow off your front yard with all the leaves, this is a great option to use. And I'm personally going to be putting more of this down everywhere that we have mulch, especially in our gardens. So anyways, a really cool product. And that is it for my really quick review and install of this mulch glue.